that.
Oh, you will be a rose. No, that's the first time I got that.
All right, ladies, y'all be blessed, sweeties. All right now. You ain't come to the festival, brother Cal, did you?
Yeah, what happened? Something happened that weekend.
See, what had happened was...
Nobody at this table came to my fest.
I did come. What you talking about?
I'm so sorry, Karen. Oh, my God.
I'm like them. I said, what?
Oh, my God.
Like,
yes, you was there. I'm sorry.
Good.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Get up there, Karen.
What, you wasn't there?
Up there.
No, I wasn't.
However,
Ann took a plane.
Did you explain to him?
I told him. You see, he don't even remember. I was there.
No, I didn't remember. No, so when you said I remember you.
He was too
Yeah.
busy getting married.
Yeah.
But no, we took a picture together.
I know. No, I remember.
Getting married.
No,
and
Chanel,
stuff.
she planned a baby shower. I told him. I think I texted her.
Who had a baby shower?
She was planning a baby shower
Oh,
the day
I'm
that
about to
she
say.
was supposed to come to the festival.
No, I didn't plan. I just had an appointment. You know, my daughter makes treats.
Yes.
So she had to make the treats for the baby shower. And I
Okay,
got up
okay.
early and I thought I was going to be able to make my flight.
I got you. I got you. No,
I
that's
had to
understandable.
cancel, so I still had
Do more? Your excuse?
Well, see what happened.
So I was planning on coming. I had my bags packed and everything.
Okay.
Because you said you had a flight and everything.
Yeah.
I was like,
I just, I
They
don't
wouldn't
know. I
give me my money,
couldn't.
but they said I got a year.
but you got, yeah, I was going to say, you should
Whatever. You ain't got no excuse.
I don't have an excuse. I have no excuses. I just could not
COVID,
make
say
it.
COVID.
everybody blame
You ain't had no damn COVID.
I'm so happy that I did not miss the festivities. Thank God everything was online. I could see everything online.
Yeah, I just
It
see.
was like,
I'm like,
but
huh?
that's good. He
But
did take everything.
yeah, you know, we were able
Even
to
the
watch
wedding.
it from afar.
I didn't go to the wedding. I went
Those
home.
ladies look so
Oh, you was
happy.
going by that.
Yeah, I went home. Because I wanted to be, I was in the Uber and I wanted to
they
go
did
down.
not.
The one on the side,
That
the brown one on the side looked happy.
The city married. I mean, even my husband.
Like she was marrying for
But-
real.
Cut it out.
She
No, she wasn't.
Right. She was not happy.
She wasn't happy.
No, they ain't happy.
You
Should have took Mocha up there. She would have put a smile on her.
You didn't know how many people will be
I
upset.
ain't have nothing but a short.
Good. It don't even matter. You
Ruined lives all
could have
Cut it
smiled.
out. Y'all so vain. Y'all so vain ass South Carolina women.
So thank
No,
God
that's
I'm
all
on my
women,
hair
not
this
just
time.
South Carolina. So don't try to put us in one category.
Cut it out. Did y'all text me a picture, the group picture that we took?
Yeah, just
I got it.
Oh, you text them? Please.
All of them, because some of them.
Please. I know. I'm with Pinky. I don't know about pictures. It's all you say.
I'm so hungry. Now, don't you
I'm
like frosting?
so hungry. I'm
No.
not hungry anymore.
Some
Out
third.
of the room.
We need to spot us something, Kyle. You said you was going to work on that
that's
last
what-
time.
The school, old Lincoln High, there's an old black school. Well, what it is, that COVID shut that thing down, so I go,
So that's
go
off
there to the
limits
door.
right now.
And I tried, there's a fella that I knew that supposed to know them, but he ain't never contacted me back on that, so he never made that move. But the venue, I was looking for something that got some size to it. But if you doing venue like that, I mean,
You can do a small one.
yeah, small. Yeah,
Because of COVID, everybody still, you know what I mean? They ain't ready to pack out because they think they're going to catch the
I
virus.
got a partner that got a good spot, but he's so scary.
Yeah.
You worry about what them other folks say.
I'll see him Wednesday at Capitol Heights. Shout out to him. Yeah, the 10th.
Okay. Man, he be busting.
Shout out to the king and queen of the House of Hathor. Shout out to the king and queen of the House of Hathor. They got me some vegan food to consume before I deliver the message to the people. Baba gave me this beautiful gift today. House of Hathor, one of the most beautiful African shops I've been in. Make sure y'all come through. We are here. House of Hathor, we are here. House of Hathor, we are in the building. Come through. King Kong Consciousness is here. Black Parent Advocate is here. And House of Hathor has all the gifts you could want. House of Hathor has all the gifts you could possibly want. So I'm here First public address, second visit. First public address, second visit. I'm in the building. Thank you, Chattanooga. Enjoy Chattanooga Thursday. New moon in Scorpio. Enjoy Chattanooga Thursday. New moon in Scorpio. Enjoyed Atlanta. Y'all showed up and showed out. Packed the house as usual. Atlanta showed up and showed out and packed the house as usual. Columbus, Georgia. I enjoyed the Fountain City Classic. Columbus, Georgia. I enjoyed the Fountain City Classic. All the HBCU love. All the African queens was out there. Extra 5, extra fine, extra thick. The Fountain City Classic. Lord have mercy. I enjoyed the Fountain City Classic tailgate. And now today, Columbia, South Carolina. Got that tropical ginger, one of my favorite drinks, that tropical ginger. Got that Irish moss. All my South Carolina queens, come through and get that Papa Bear hug. All my South Carolina queens, come through and get that Papa Bear hug. Columbia, South Carolina, House of Hathor. Wednesday, we go up south. We down south this weekend. Next week, we up south. Capitol Heights, Maryland. Everlasting Life Cafe. Wednesday, November the 10th, 6 to 9. Facts. Nat Turner Land. Nat Turner Land. Thursday, November the 11th. Go to NatTurnerLibrary.com. Capitol Heights, Everlasting Life, Wednesday the 10th. Go to eLifePresents.com. For Wednesday, November the 10th, go to eLifePresents.com. Thursday, November the 11th, go to NatTurnerLibrary.com. Friday, November the 12th, Hampton Roads, Norfolk. We are no longer at the Kroc Center. We are no longer at the Kroc Center. We have a new location in Norfolk. There's a new location in Norfolk for Friday's lecture. There's a new location in Norfolk, 7 Cities, Virginia. You could text me or go on my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. The flyers are there. We will be at a church in Norfolk Friday night, November the 12th, 5 until 9. Doors at 4. And then Sunday, Great Blacks and Wax, Baltimore, November 14th, my great-great-great-grandfather's birthday. Sunday, November the 14th, Great Blacks and Wax Museum, 1601 North Ave. That's 2 to 8. Hit the Cash App for FDMG. House of Hathor, baby. Vegan food, got the plantain. You know how I love the plantains. Listen, wifey applicants, you must know how to do the soft, chewy plantains. I must have soft, chewy plantains along with the greens with the turkey juice. Here go the greens with the turkey juice. Here go the greens with the turkey juice. Praise be to the Most High. Hit the Cash App, $FDMG School. Hit the Cash App, $FDMG School. Hit the PayPal, paypal.me/FDMG Academy. Sweet plantain color harness 95. I need them sweet plantains. Consciousness over cookies, politics over punani. Business over the bedroom, revolution over romance. You need to reach me if you need a flyer, 215-989-9858. If you need to reach me if you need a flyer, 215-989-9858. This is the Prince. Let's get ready, South Carolina. I am here, House of Hathor, 2 to 8, 2 to 4 lecture Q&A, 4 to 8. Drop in books, sign books of $50, credit card, cash, or Cash App. Books of $50, credit card, cash, Cash App. House of Hathor. That's where we are today. the divinity of abundance. I am. Shout out to Chattanooga. Thanks to everybody who came out and showed love. I'm about to get me some shut-eye right here in Chattanooga. Had some good food tonight. Thank you to Pastor Charlotte. Thank you to the Black Panther Party. Thank you to all the brothers and sisters who came out.